Yo, what's going on YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can watch YouTube in your car system for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. What we're going to be doing is getting this free app called CarTube. It's available on iOS and Android, and I'm going to show you guys how to do this. It allows you to bridge your car system, your phone to your car system, and let you watch YouTube, Netflix, Prime, Disney Plus, Spotify, anything you want, and watch it on your car system. So let's go ahead and show you guys how to do this right now. I'm going to turn on my screen recording and show you guys basically what's happening. So what we're going to be doing is getting this app here called CarTube, okay? So once you open it, you can then go ahead and bridge it to your car, which will then essentially allow you to stream the apps to your phone system. They got all these settings here, and this is all completely for free. So what we're going to do is show you basically how to do this here and how to get this app called CarTube. It's free, it's easy, it takes under like a couple minutes, and anyone with an iOS or Android can do this, and it's free to do. So you want to come to this website. So do this on your phone. Obviously, you don't need a computer. You go to www.getsoget and then CarTube, C-A-R, and then T-U-B-E.net. So getcartube.net. Stream anything while you drive, all that stuff, as you guys can see, all this stuff here. So just scroll up and just press install CarTube. It's free. Okay, so it's going to go ahead and install this right here. Basically, what it is going to need, it's going to require some additional plugin files and actually to fully install the app. So we're going to do this right now and show you guys how easy this is. You need to do this because we're not using a computer to install it. It is going to need some of these additional plugin files. So I was going to say, 2 of these free additional plugin files are required to install CarTube. These are official apps from iOS and Android stores that allow us to install CarTube to your device. So what you need to do is go ahead and complete 2 of these. It's free and easy. I'll show you how to do it. So let's do this Moto one first up. Okay, so this one here, very, very easy as well. It's going to say press on the red button, you type in that word in the search, you find Moto, and then you go ahead and get it, and it's that easy. So let's do that right now. Press open. All right, it's already typed it in for us. That's easy. If we scroll down, we're going to find it. There it is there. Nice and easy. Awesome. So that's that one done. And remember, all you have to do is simply to go ahead and open it. And then that's going to work just like that. So that's one of them done. And like I said, this process is so easy. And because we're doing it this way, it's going to make this whole process literally the best way ever. So this is the same one. Remember, we need to do 2 of these in order for this to work. Same thing, except type in that. And we get this one here. So we're going to do that. So just need a little bit of memory. And then you should be all good. So we'll press open. Type in the word it wanted. You go ahead and find it. Okay. Open it up, and then that's going to be all good. Remember, all you do is open them, and then you're going to see CarTube install. It's literally that easy. Once you've done that, that's going to be CarTube installed. This little thing might update, it might not. If it does, all good. But then you're going to have the CarTube app, and now you can go ahead and use this. Now, you can use this via USB, and you can also use this via Bluetooth. So whichever one you're using, you can go ahead and do it. And then you just go ahead and bridge it to your CarPlay. I'm not sure if this will work in my car. Oh, it worked. Okay, so it can connect if your car's, 10 to 15 meters away, so that's all good. So awesome, just like that, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know in the comment section if you need any help. It's this easy to do. Go ahead and enjoy watching YouTube in your car. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you in the next one. Peace out.